to honor you on this very special day as you recognize your ongoing celebrations and the most important thing that you fight for freedom of your people. And in this country, as the United States of America, we're happy to have you as being part of this community that embraces the freedom, that embraces the uniqueness of culture and heritage, and to have you here as part of our community. Once again, I also want to thank so many of the Zomi people who have been involved in many of the things with city government and the initiatives to embrace the international community. Our very own Tampi, yes, he's a member of the city's International Communities Advisory Council, and we're glad to have his participation as a leader of the Zomi people, representing you as a voice in city government. And here, Reverend Sam Long is also part of the International Communities Advisory Council. Our young ladies, sisters, are part of the International Communities Advisory Council. So your leadership as part of that is a direct voice of city government. And the most recent initiative that the city has had to involve the international community is the city's Academy for New American. And I know that there is at least one representative of the Zomi community that's part of that initiative, and her name is Dim. This celebration, as always, Happy National Zomi Day.
Zomi